Hello, my name is Sevi. I work at Continuous Solutions, a cloud consultancy. So today I'm going to be talking about how our experiences as our banking client influence us to start this open source product in the world of compliance. So if you're in a highly regulated environment, this could be a brand new project, but it's not going anywhere. It's stuck. All the competition has left, but your security teams are not allowing you to move. This was our client. But actually even worse. So there were past trauma and failures. They couldn't even deploy it abroad because the security teams thought the existing cloud design was not compliant. So we came in. We were ambitious. This time we were going to shift left the whole thing. The compliance and the security would be at the core of the project. We were excited and we were ready to move. This was how we envisioned the project, which actually turned out to be like this. It would, especially the compliance bits, would be utterly and totally manual. Imagine lots of Confluence pages, Jira tickets, binding everything all together. So we needed to get our clients' trust, so we got cracking. We knew there would be some manual bits in the start of the project anyway, so CISO accepted this as well. And eventually, we managed to automate whatever we could. So we had pretty slick pipelines, to be honest. And we had cloud policies, we had alerting in place, we also had Terraform configs secure enough for the security. So this is a picture of a made-up ticket. So this was derived from the Confluence pages. So it tells you to have Terraform config, policies, alerting, and remediation steps in place. Once you have the Terraform config in place, which means your Terraform service would be secure, you would document, evidence the code line in there. That's when we freaked out. Like, what happens what the code line changes, right? Like, how do I track all these? Step 2 was automated, our pipeline, and step 3 as well. Like, we had cloud alerting and policies in place. But what if there's a drift in your cloud? How do you feed that back into your compliance tool, your GRC tool, which was basically Jira tickets for our case? And then, anyway, you might be saying that we're not obsessed with compliance. We just want secure cloud. But if you take a step back, compliance and security are interdependent, right? And without a regulation telling you, your organization will have governance, operational risk, or security standards in place. And this will need you to have a real-time automated metrics and automated reporting mechanism. So we looked into the cloud-native space, and there was no product. So we decided to work on our own new open-source passion project called Compliance Framework. Ta-da! And yeah. Our vision is to build the link between compliance products and the controls they manage, and have real-time tracking of the compliance status, having automated metrics, automated reporting, and having a true end-to-end digital journey for highly regulated industries. This is our dashboard. It's a work in progress, but it looks much better than a static Confluence page, right? For especially compliance people. And this will show you a real-time cloud situation. Anyway, this is our architecture. So once you describe your provider in the configuration database and API, this is the exciting part for us. This will be working like Terraform. So we would like to have an open source provider library. So then when your assessment runtime runs, it will download the provider from the plugin store, which could be any type of check. It could be like a check-in file, checking whatever tooling you have in there, but it will have to be basically open source, like hopefully Terraform providers. So I'd like to thank you for your time. A call for action, we would really love to have contributors in our project, and I'll be around all day if you'd like to talk about it or whatever we do at Continuous Solutions. yeah, I'd like to talk to you as well. So thank you.